5 or 6 times through on your own, all right? Reverse pivot, and then we're gonna try to play it live a little bit, all right? There we go. Catch, reverse it, good, Thad, and finish. Nice, nice, nice. Here we go. Come on across, see it, rip, good, perfect. The old bank shot, man. Timmy Duncan, you can't go wrong with a bank. All right, baby, here we go, here we go. All right, now look, listen, we're in progressions now. We're in progressions. We got 28 and 2. We're going 235 on the slides, right to Z lane closeouts, all right? Z lane closeouts. Let's get it the first time. Let's talk it up, get to where we gotta be. That's it, you know? That whole pause just for a second is huge. Here we go, one more. Catch it, pause, good. Yep. That's it. Here we go, Thad. Get there. Pace. Let's go. Good E. Come on, pace, get it there. Attaboy. Good Kobe. Come on. Go. 1 second, needs water, man. It's his first day of practice. He's got to get hydrated. He's already working. Ready, go. Good, Gabe. Good rip. That's 4-4. 4-4, let's go. Good play. Way to take it off. That's 12 on the line. Come on, White. We need you. Come on, baby, dig deep. Good.